Hey guys, welcome to Berwick Mitsubishi. My name is TJ and you're joining me today while I'm doing a walking around video for a car that we've got in at our dealership. It's a 2017 Holden Commodore SV6 sedan model. So in this video, as per usual, I'll show you inside, the outside, and as well as some of the key features you'd get in this car. So let's start with the paintwork. It has got a beautiful white paintwork on the body. Coming to the front, also on the bonnet, you can see you have got a tinted bonnet protector which will protect your exterior, especially the front of the car, from stone chipping. That there is your headlamp, also your daylight running lamps with the front parking sensors for your driver assist. You get your genuine, your iconic Holden logo right in the middle of the grille as well. And if we keep going to the side, car also has got genuine Holden two-tone alloy wheels as well. And instead of having an integrated indicator, the indicator comes on the front guard on this vehicle. Side mirror also comes as same as the body color, with a blind spot warning on the side mirror, which is a great safety feature that you would get. Door handles are as same as the body color again, with the keyless entry button on it as well. Coming to the back of the car, has got an antenna mounted at the back of the roof. Also coming to the rear of the car, as we can see, there is a boot lip and all the Holden and the SV6 badging, followed by your rear view camera and the rear parking sensors for your drive assist. As per, we are going towards the driver's side of the vehicle, so you can see pretty clean without any major damages or any scratches. I've got a note there's a touch up right there around your wheel arch. I mean, given the fact, guys, it is a used car, overall condition is pretty great considering everything else. So you're gonna get a bit of a tear and wear, but given the fact it is a used car, the overall condition is pretty great. So looking at the alloy wheels, that's your driver's side front, and you get your driver's side rear. And your passenger side rear, and the passenger side front. As I said, yes, there are a few scuff marks on the alloy wheels, but guys, I've showed you the overall condition of this vehicle. It's pretty beautiful. I mean, given the fact it is a used car, overall condition is pretty great. Beside what you get, the little bits and pieces that I showed you as the downside as well. So next thing up, I would like to show you the inside of the vehicle. Let's jump in and have a look. So it has got a leather suede finish seats, pretty good, with a set of rubber mats as well, which will protect your flooring. Just gonna jump in. All right, so these are well known for good big size sedans with a lot of space inside. Now your center display will allow you to access your sat nav, your radio, your rear view camera, and your mobile device, followed by you get your climate zone controlling knobs and the keys there. Below that, you get a bit of a storage area and a 12-volt power socket. And coming at the back, next to the standard gear knob, there is a bit of a storage area again with your traction control. You get your parking assist and the rear parking sauna, electric brake, and the 2 cup holders with center console storage area with the USB input and another 12-volt power socket. The condition of the interior so far looks absolutely great. It's actually near brand new, looking like without any major tear and wear. Next thing is I'll show you the second row seating. So 3 seating spaces. Right in the middle you would get your shared armrest as well, which is pretty good. And these seats also come with ISOFIX points as well for the child seats or the booster seats. Again, the condition of the second row seating is pretty fantastic. So, next thing I'd like to show you is the cargo area of this car. So, grab the key. All right, let's pop the boot up, have a look. That's a massive cargo area you would get with a lot of space. It's a generous deep boot space that you would get. Underneath you'd get your full-size alloy wheel, full-size spare wheel as well. Guys, it is a brand new. Look at the condition, it's never been used. So speaks for the condition of the vehicle. That's pretty great. All right, so that's the cargo space you would get in this vehicle. Let's pop this down. I'd like to take you to the driver's cabin as the next thing, so we can have a look what this car will offer us when you're the driver. All right. On the steering wheel, as per usual, you get your media accessibility on your right hand side with the mobile accessibility buttons. With on the left hand side you would get your cruise control setup and the speed setup. And on the center display, I'll turn this on, let's put the volume down. You get your inbuilt sat nav, and if you go home you get all the apps that you can access, your media, your mobile device, and your USB input, etc. You also, when I pop the gear into the the reverse position, it will give you the view through the rear view camera as well. All right, so as I am exiting the car, what I would like to say is there are lots of plus sides on this vehicle. It's absolutely great condition inside the outside, with a bit of minor things that I have pointed out, but look at the value of what you get overall, guys. That's the main thing. It's a beautiful vehicle, hard to get these cars in the market at the moment. So if you are interested in, give us a call. It's 99070555, or you can come to us. We're at 2232 on Kangan Drive in Berwick, near Berwick Mitsubishi. We also have got in-house finance if you're seeking help with finance options. It's easy, fast, and really convenient. Also, we are super competitive as well with our ratings. So give us a call. It's 99070555, or you can come to us at 2232 on Kangan Drive in Berwick. So that's it for the 2017 Holden Commodore SV6 sedan model walking around video. I'll catch you on the next one.